Hello, we are here in Johannesburg at Wits University with Professor Bax. This is the annual New Horizons in Echocardiography organized by a very good friend of ours, Fernando Peters, and many other faculty, local and international, for many, many years. It's an annual event where we meet again and again and have a fantastic audience, mixed of sonographers, trainees in cardiology, but also other specialties such as anesthetists and interventional cardiologists. So all mixed together. So Jeroen, we are here again once more. What do you think has changed from previous years this year?
I think it has become very professionalized. Fernando Peters has been able to add not only lectures, but all these hands-on courses for echocardiography, ultrasound, or many other things that I've been looking at here, post-processing of existing data or acquired data, assessment of strain, for example, which is very topical at the moment in echocardiography. So I think he really professionalized the whole course, and you can see at the feedback of the audience that they love it. They love to go first to do themselves an ultrasound echo, first of the heart, then of the big vessels, and I think it's really a fantastic course.
It has some good practical sessions. They are very early in the morning. It's a heavy program. We are here, yes, but we are working from 7:30 in the morning to something like 7 o'clock in the evening. So yeah. It's a very heavy schedule. Yeah. But what I like and I enjoy year on year, other than the fantastic cases presented by the local fellows and faculty, is also this interaction between the classic measurements and evaluation of valve disease, yeah, but also the clinical applications. And I think Fernando did a very smart move this year, did all the classic measurements a week earlier through the internet, yeah, and this couple of days passed on to cases and clinical applications of the theory and the measurement. So did not spend a lot of time of numbers, but also in the nitty-gritty of how we use these numbers into clinical practice. Yeah. That was, I think, a great idea that he had.
Absolutely. I think he did a fine job by indeed going deeper into certain aspects of disease, heart valve disease, and at the same time giving a total update on the field of this specialization. And I think it's a wonderful course. Yeah. Yeah.
Absolutely, and we will repeat it again next year at the same time. But for our Greek audience, I want to remind you that in end of April 2024, we have the 8th International Meeting of Clinical Echocardiography in Clinical Practice. And you will be there once again to talk about aortic stenosis and everything else that you are doing in your wonderful department. So we'll see you again. Next rendezvous, it will be in Athens in end of April 2024.
Next stop, Athens.